Happy Thursday, distance learners. Today is Thursday, April 23rd, 2020. There's 30 days left of school for the academic school year this year, if it's 2019-2020. Remember, yesterday when I met with you guys during Google Meets, I love how a lot of you guys are going to Imagine Learning reading twice. Then you can go to Achieve 3000, read some books. Then check out your Google Classroom assignments. We started Flipgrid, and I'm posting some assignments in there, so get in there and get after it. Math to do routines, you take these notes, you go right away to Imagine Math. Remember, the goal is pass 1 to 2 lessons, then continue to practice your math facts. For fun, math prodigy, math freckle. Okay. Here's the standard, last one for the standard, 4MBT4. Fluently add, subtract multi-digit whole numbers using the standard algorithm. Okay. Remember, here's the Google Classroom, and then there's your password setup. All right. Showtime. Last one for 4MBT4. Let's just read it straight through. Select the answer that correctly compares the subtraction problem. Now, this is my second year in a row teaching 4th grade math, and what I've found, at least in the 2 classes I've had, that subtraction or subtracting has been the most difficult for students. Mainly their math facts. They know addition. They even memorize their multiplication facts, then they did their subtraction, which should have been mastered in 2nd and 3rd grade. But for some reason, this has been difficult, especially when you have 9 minus 3, 12 minus 4. Okay, so with that, until those are mastered mentally, okay, I just did the opposite. Remember, the opposite of subtraction is addition. So if we have the 4 quadrants in math, you are either adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing. These are just the opposites. So we are going to take this subtraction problem, analyze some of the possible answers, and go the other way. Just make an addition problem. Okay? Now, of course, if you're really good at adding, you can do this mentally, then go for it. But right away, let's just analyze the possible answers. So you have the problem over here, and notice how there are unknown numbers. This time, they took away some of the numbers, and I've seen this on Imagine Math, and I've seen it on the SBAC too. Okay? So, whatever the top number is, subtract the bottom number, and notice how all of them equal 863. So the only thing that is different is, notice here, all these top numbers are the same. This one is not. Now, once you practice mental math, I know 4,005 minus 3,000, that is 1,005. I just took 4,000 minus 3,000, and I just added the 5. So right away, I know that's not the answer. Process of elimination. Now, since I know addition is the opposite of subtraction, I'm just going to take the answer and add it to each one of these. Okay? And then that should get 4,015. So for instance, I'm going to do this 3 times. Problem number 1. I would take 3,052 plus 863. Remember, I'm just going the other way. Why not? Okay? And if you are not good at writing your numbers exactly aligned, always do your matrix. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. 2 plus 3 is 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. I have to carry over the 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 3,915. Well, there's one problem. That doesn't equal 4,015. So, let's keep going. I will go to B, and I'll put B in here. This was A. Okay, I'm going to check B. I'm going to take the bottom number and just add it to what the answer was. Okay, 2 plus 3. This time I'm not going to separate everything. Remember, if you need to, you go that route. 5. 6 plus 5 is 11. I carry the 1. Okay. 1, 2, I have 10. If you're having trouble adding, remember, start with the biggest number, 8, 9, 10. I have to carry over again, 3 plus 1, 4,015. Wow, check it out. There it is. Okay, check, check. So for all of you who are having trouble on subtracting and you still don't know your subtraction math facts yet, just reverse it and do addition, okay? Let's just double check and make sure that D is not correct, just in case I made a mistake right there, okay? Probably should have waited to highlight that, but let's find out. So now I'll take the bottom number again, 3,352 plus 863, 5, 11, 11, 12, 4, 4,215. That does not equal that, okay? There it is. We proved it by going the opposite way. So when I look at this number, 1 would go in there. And down here on the bottom numbers, it would have been 3,152. So what I've seen on Imagine Math is you have to type these numbers in, okay? So if you aren't given these options, you just have to guesstimate it, all right? And then put numbers in for each one, okay? All right, hope that helps. That's the last one for the standard. The next standard will come up, and that's it for Unit 1. Later in May, I will wrap up our end of the year stuff for geometry, and then that's it. And there will be over 125 videos for you to use whenever. Of course, you're moving on to 5th grade soon, so you know what? These problems will get harder, all right? Instead of 4 digits, you will do 5 digits. All right, hope that helps. And I'm super excited. A little later, you will start getting emails from me. Our district finally set up email accounts. So I will be in contact with you morning, day, and night via email. Remember, after these notes, go straight to Imagine Math. Take advantage of that math tutor. Okay, that is priceless. Someone to help coach you if you're stuck online and they're bilingual. Then go to Math Facts. And then to sum up ELA. Students showing the fastest growth are doing Imagine Learning Reading twice. I just started using it with my own kiddos because their district just purchased it, and I'm evaluating the program with my own children. And I've seen progress tremendously when they do it twice a day as well. Of course, they still read books. There's nothing more important than reading books all the time, okay, that you got from the library, that you get from Costco or Amazon, wherever. And then last but not least, remember, go to the Google Classroom for assignments. There are several assignments due. I'm not trying to overwhelm you, because if you do these top 2, 3 steps, you will definitely skyrocket in your reading comprehension, okay? But there's other work that we need to do, so check the Google Classroom, please. Go through ELA, go through math, go through writing, science, social studies, each classroom. Make sure you check out Miss H's sci-fi class too. All right, have a good day. Be safe. Practice that social distancing. Do your homework before you play those video games. Bye.